Many sparse in previous videos that this is that machine and it is a laser welder from Watson Company. I will eventually try to make a full review of this equipment, as it is a very interesting device. If someone wants to learn more about the characteristics and cost of laser welding, I will leave a link in the description. I left the sides of our nightstand to be glued together. While the glue is drying, I don't want to waste time, and so I'll do the top part, which will also be made of artificial floorboard. The floorboards have a chamfer that does not look pretty at the board joint. Taking into account that we are using artificial floorboards to create furniture, I removed this chamfer with a saw. It turned out very beautiful and not noticeable at all. Joint F, the two boards, is right in the middle. Well, here we go. All the major parts of my nightstand are glued together. I'll be back in a day so I can get back to work on creating furniture. This is what I sawed and glued the material for the drawers. All parts are made with a reserve so that after they are glued together I can paint them to the size I need. Well, my shoe storage banquette is almost done and I'm very happy with the work I've done. I still have to weld the ears of the cover board to the main frame, and it's good that I noticed it before painting. I will not show the boring process of painting. It would not be interesting. I will immediately show the finished banquette, which will stand in my home. Well, there you go. I didn't even expect to be able to make furniture so well out of a material that was originally designed to lay it on the floor, not make furniture. We've been using the nightstand for a week now, and now I can't imagine how we did without it before. A big plus is that it has 2 pull-out drawers where you can put all sorts of little things that you rarely need. We also put all our shoes and nothing else gets in the way under our feet. I am very satisfied, and I hope you also enjoyed watching me work.